Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kazman's Coach. Today I would like to tell you the sad truth that everybody needs to be aware of. Just one thing. Okay, let me tell you. Falling behind takes a moment. Catching up takes time. It only takes a moment to get worse, but it takes much longer to get back to where you were. It takes only a moment to lose your skills, but much longer to regain them. Did you know that? For example, let me tell you my experience. Back to a long time ago, I used to play badminton, I kept practicing because I wanted to get better. But someday I had injury because I worked too much. So I needed to take some rest for a month. Then I took a rest, came back to practice, and my skill was getting worse. I get demotivated, and then I procrastinated, and I got slacked off. I didn't practice much for only like few weeks, and then get back to practice. The skills and everything was gone. The fact that the muscle memory works, however, it takes longer to regain the techniques and the skills. Okay, it took like 3 times effort I needed to put into my practice. Another thing, I am currently speaking English because I'm in Australia, but back to long time ago, I practiced speaking English every day. But if I didn't speak English and just kept speaking my mother language, then it was really hard for me to get back to the level that I was at speaking English. Really, as I said, it takes only a moment to lose your skills, but much longer to really regain them, get back to where you were. So what I would like to tell you is that just keep being consistency. This is the most important things to success. Okay, let me tell you, success is made from boring things that you do in daily basis. That leads you to succeed and to be better at something that you really want to be at. If you are consistent, then you can save money. But if you have some days that you overspend, wasting the monies, and etc., you won't be able to save money. And playing the piano, playing the guitar, playing badminton, volleyballs, weightlifting, gaining the muscle is most difficult things. You need to be consistent, eating properly, sleeping well, and train hard. Everything, the success is made from consistency. This is the key.